how to uninstall Messenger app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can uninstall Messenger app on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, there are two ways to uninstall the Messenger. So here, first is the direct ways, that is to simply go through the app vault, and from here you can simply find the Messenger app and simply long press on it, and here from the pop-up menu there you can see the uninstall button. So simply tap on it and confirm it, and once you do that, the app will be uninstalled from your device. But there is another way too, through which you have to go through the settings. Now here you simply have to go to settings, and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on apps and then tap on manage apps. And now here in the section you can simply tap on the search bar and simply search for the Messenger. And here once you search for it, you can simply tap on the Messenger app, and here once you're inside the Messenger app settings, there at the bottom center you can see the uninstall option. So simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK, and once you do that, it will be uninstalled from your phone. And with that, there is also another way, is that you can simply go to the Play Store, and from there you can simply search for the Messenger app which have already been installed on your phone. And from there, if you tap on the Messenger, there you will see the uninstall button. So there you can simply tap on uninstall button to delete the Messenger app from the Play Store too. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.